Hi, I'm head chef Tim Ingle from Vinoteca Chiswick, and today I'm going to show you how to cook our signature marinated bavette steak kit. Very important that you take out your steak 10 to 15 minutes before you're about to cook it. A tad of olive oil in the bottom of your pan, salt and pepper on both sides. So a griddle pan like this, if you've got one at home, works really well. If not, you can use a frying pan in exactly the same way. Also, the barbecue is going to be perfect. So it's got 3 minutes on one side to get a nice charred look. Just take it out, put it onto your resting tray, and just make sure you add a small amount of butter or olive oil. It's very important you leave it for 5 minutes. A really good piece of advice, just make sure it's warm all the way through, is just to put it back into the pan for around about a minute each side, just to make sure it's hot all the way through. Make sure you slice it against the grain. Pour all these resting juices and all that marinade, all that olive oil, all that nice charred flavour is all going back into your steak.